Hello everyone, I'm back with another recipe which is a sticky dates toffee pudding. This is actually a traditional dessert served hot with ice cream. This basically has two layers. First layer is a dates cake and a toffee sauce. For the dates cake, first we need to cook the dates. For that, I have taken a saucepan with 3/4 cup water. When the water starts boiling, add 2 tablespoons of coffee powder. Coffee will actually help to balance the taste. You can skip this if you want. You can cook the dates even in normal water. Now add 225 grams of chopped dates. You need to cook it till the dates are soft. Now at this point, you can add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda will further soften the dates. It will also balance the taste. You can see it fizzing up. You can switch off the flame now and keep it aside to cool. Next step is we need to beat butter and sugar. For that I've taken 6 tablespoons unsalted butter, and to that I've added 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Once it's soft, you can add 2 eggs. Beat it till it's soft and fluffy. Now you can see that the batter is soft. You can add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence to it. Then we need to add the flour mixed with 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon baking powder and the cooked dates. We can add the ingredients in 3 to 4 batches, altering between the cooked dates and flour. Now we can see that the batter is ready. You can take a greased tray and you can transfer the contents, and you can bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. While the cake is getting baked, we can prepare the toffee sauce. For that, I've taken a pan, and on low heat you can caramelize 2 tablespoons of sugar. While the sugar turns light brown in color, you can add 2 tablespoons of butter and a half cup of fresh cream. Keep stirring at low heat until you get a thick sauce. So the cake is ready. Once it cools down, you can poke some holes in the cake and pour the toffee sauce on the top of the cake.